Good job.
All right, next I have Charles.
Good job.
And he is a skeleton.
Good job. A race car. They got chocolates in the back. Excuse me. Some stones here. Some stones here. Kind of crystals. Different kind of rocks. Some oils there. Some different rocks here. Chocolate. That looks really good. Oh, that's interesting right there. Looks good. And hello.
They're $5.50 each or 6 for $30. You can mix them up.
Okay. And let's see. They got cups over there, bags, soaps. This smells good. Candles. They have some bath. I think these are bath bomb shower bursts. But so this location we're at, we're at a place called it's a place called like the Garage, and they have like a lot of different restaurants in here. But we was here for the Halloween contest, he was in the contest. Then they have, oh yeah, there's a big sucker there. And they have like a live band over there. They're over there playing. They have all these restaurants built inside this is actually, it's like an old Coca-Cola factory. And they turned it into a business, food eating area, like a food court with a lot of entertainment. Okay, so that's the end of that. As you can see, this is the old Coca-Cola factory that they changed into a nice little eating area. I'm gonna show you real quick. Right here, it says Coca-Cola. They just gutted this whole thing out. A lot of stores over here, a lot of shops. Just different things. There's a hotel on the back side over there. Over here is what is it called? Not Hunger Games, but this is a Sandbox virtual reality area right here. Sandbox. Squid Games. They're doing Squid Games in there right now. And they got condos over here. They got, the hotel is on the other side. They got parking here. So it's raining. I'm about to go get the car so we can go ahead and go home. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care, subscribe, like, and see you next time. Peace.